In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your OneDrive account in a few seamless steps using our step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to switch over to a new Microsoft account for work or personal reasons, these instructions will help you achieve that goal efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in and get started on this transition. First, what you'll need to do is locate the OneDrive Cloud icon in your system tray, which you'll typically find in the bottom right corner of your desktop screen. Once you've found it, give it a click. This will open up a small menu where you'll need to select Help and Settings. In that menu, go ahead and click on Settings to proceed. Next, navigate to the Account tab, where you'll see all the account-related information and settings that you'll need for this process. Once you're on the Account tab, look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation dialog box asking you to confirm that you want to stop syncing your files with your current OneDrive account. Confirm this action to proceed with the unlinking process. Now that you've unlinked your current account, it's time to sign in with your new Microsoft account. After entering your new credentials and successfully logging in, you'll be prompted to choose a OneDrive folder location on your computer. This step is crucial as it determines where your synced files will be stored locally. You might want to choose a new folder or stick with the default location depending on your preference and storage needs. After setting the folder location, you'll be asked to select the specific folders you wish to sync from your new OneDrive account. Take a moment to decide which folders are necessary for your work or personal use. Remember, you can always adjust these selections later if your needs change. Switching accounts has its pros and cons. One of the advantages is the ability to quickly switch accounts for desktop users while preserving your local files. However, it's important to note that this change only applies to the device you are currently using. If you use OneDrive on multiple devices, you'll need to repeat these steps on each device to ensure they're all synced with the new account. And there you have it, you've successfully switched your OneDrive account following these straightforward steps. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.